My name is Jim Sellers. I'm a plaintiff's trial attorney who practices in Oregon, Washington, and I'm going to try and answer some questions for you that I have clients ask me about. One of the questions that prospective clients often ask me is, at what point should they hire an attorney? And the answer to that's pretty easy. The earliest that you can hire an attorney to represent you on an injury claim is the best. A lot of people figure they can fiddle with a claim or defer getting representation to kind of see what happens and wait a while. Invariably that proves to be a mistake, and the reason is because there's a lot of things that need to be done on a claim, such as collecting and preserving evidence that is lost if there's a period of delay. Witnesses' memories diminish over time. Physical evidence, photographs, and things like that are often lost. Sometimes people assume that the insurance companies involved will preserve that evidence and collect it. In my experience is overwhelmingly that that's not true. Moreover, the other person's insurance company in auto collision cases will share none of that information with you or your attorney if you've been injured. So I like to get going on cases right away, collect information. The other thing that's rather important is if you're unrepresented for any length of time, it creates opportunities for the other party's insurance adjuster to contact you and talk to you and ask you questions that may seem innocent enough, but which allow the adjuster to collect information. My name is Jim Sellers. I'm a plaintiff's trial attorney who practices in Oregon, Washington, and I'm going to try and answer some questions for you that I have clients ask me about, and they, when they come in to retain me, they frankly have no idea of what to expect in terms of how we present their claim and try and settle it and approach the insurance carrier that we're attempting to settle a claim with. So I'm going to try and give you a rough outline of how we do that. The first thing you need to understand is when you go in to see a lawyer to represent you on a personal injury claim, generally the lawyer can't do anything until all of your medical records and bills have been collected, which sometimes takes a lot of time and is difficult to accomplish. In fact, sometimes I ask my clients to help me collect the bills and records because they'll have an easier time than I will have and at less expense. So we need the bills and records to know what your treatment cost and what the treatment involved. And a lot of times the chart notes the doctors fill out will tell us a lot about your injury and tell us what we have to do to be able to present the claim. So to give you an example, you have bills, and I think everybody understands what bills are, but chart notes are a record that the doctor keeps of what he did at the visit that you had with him each time you go in to see the doctor. And it records what the doctor observed about you, what you told the doctor, the conclusions the doctor arrived at. And frequently the chart note will contain an opinion of where you are in your treatment. All of those records are very important, and they demonstrate to the insurance company exactly the nature of your injury and what kind of care is being provided to you to try to overcome the effects of your injury. So if a lawyer is going to settle your case, your lawyer needs all of those chart notes and bills for all of your treatment in order to properly present the claim and to make sure that